House is poised to pass major property insurance reform legislation that would allow insurance companies to raise rates without state approval, decrease credits awarded to policyholders who strengthen their homes, and deny some sinkhole coverage claims. But as Whitney Ray tells us from our exclusive Capitol News Bureau, economists, business groups, and environmentalists say even more reform is needed.
The state is in the insurance business, but instead of backing safe inland homes, Florida's Citizens Property Insurance mostly takes on coastal homes. Citizens has 1.3 million properties and just $500 million to pay claims. Opponents say that's just not enough money, because if a major storm hit a large Florida city, the state would be on the hook for tens of billions of dollars. But if the state didn't have the money, we all would have to pay it back through increased assessments on our home and auto insurance. By some accounts, each family would owe $14,000 and would have 30 years to pay it out. A group of businessmen, economists, and environmentalists are asking lawmakers to force citizens to raise rates and drop customers. They want rates to increase more than 20% a year and million-dollar homes to be dropped. They also want members of Citizens' Board of Governors to step down.
We're going to write a letter to the Senate President, the House Speaker, and the Governor, going to ask that they ask all of their appointees to resign and give all of them an opportunity to put the right people there.
And in this case, the right people are those who are not willing to take on more risk than they can afford. Environmentalists say beefing up citizens will encourage people from developing along the coast and damaging sensitive ecosystems.
This is one way that uses market forces. Strictly say, if you don't subsidize people, they will not build in places where they shouldn't build.
Most of the changes proposed by the group are in legislation this year. The group is asking lawmakers to act quickly before the scheduled end of session Friday night. In Tallahassee, Whitney Ray, WPTV News Channel 5.